Hey y'all, I'm Barbie from Barbie and the Caveman, where a balanced table is a happy table. Now, I'm a casual vegan, and my husband's a carnivore, and my little egg's complicated. So my purpose is to take vegan recipes and adapt them to any diet. Join me today for Barbie and the Caveman. Hey y'all, today I am preparing something very special, my husband's birthday lunch. So it's very close to New Year's. His birthday's on the 29th, and so I'm gonna make a couple of different dishes. Now, if you can see behind me, the oven is on. My husband loves to have a turkey for his birthday, so I've got one roasting up. Now the rest of the sides I'm gonna do in sections, so each little clip will be a different side, and of course they're adaptive to the vegan diet. Hope you enjoy. First, we're gonna start with some smashed sweet potatoes. There's never a meal in the South without sweet potatoes. So I have some just very sweet peeled sweet potatoes already cut up and cubed. I'm going to salt the water very heavily. And I'm also gonna add some garlic powder right to the water. Probably about a teaspoon or so. Then just pour in the diced potatoes. Now I used 2 pretty large sweet potatoes. Our little family here in the cave is only 3, but if your family is much more, or say they just really love their sweet potatoes, you know, you can double, triple, quadruple the recipe for as many as you probably would ever want to serve. What's not wonderful about sweet potatoes? And here in Florida, the crop in our gardens have just come in, so we've got lots of sweet potatoes to spare. So just chopping up that last sweet potato, throwing it there in the pot. Whoop, dropped one. Down it, Tristram. Border Collie loves sweet potatoes. Right. Give it a quick shake. And we'll cover this and we'll come back to it in a little bit when it's nice and soft and tender. So tune in for the next side and the completion of the smashed sweet potatoes. And we're back. Now I just drained the sweet potatoes and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of honey, a little more salt, a little chili powder, teaspoon of chili powder, some soy milk, about ½ a cup of soy milk, and of course a potato masher. Now depending upon how soupy or how firm you like your sweet potatoes, you can adjust the milk accordingly to really incorporate the honey and everything else that's good in the world. Now add in a little bit of ginger. Give it another stir around the pot. And here you have, my friend, some amazing smashed sweet potatoes. So, we'll see you in a bit